Hey everybody, welcome back. I thought about this throughout the day. I made a video this morning and checking the rain gauge up here at the field. And I got to thinking maybe other people would be interested in these rain gauges that I have at home and up here at the field. And I'm going to share that with you now. I've had my original one that's at my home is over 4 years old. A lot of people, most rain gauges are plastic, and if you forget them and then it freezes, they crack, and that's the end of that. They don't hold water anymore, and you just wasted your money. Of course, rain gauges are cheap, $4.97 up to $10. Replace it easy. But the one I'm going to show you today, it's a buy one that will last, I don't know, probably at least 10 years. The one at my home that's over 4 years old, it's still kicking, not a thing wrong with it. And that is this little rascal right here. It's made or sold by Taylor Instruments. It's silicone. You just almost can't destroy this thing unless you stick it with a knife or hit it with the lawnmower and cut it to smithereens. But this is exactly like the one at home. These numbers have not faded in over 4 years, and they sit directly in the sunlight from sunup to sundown every single day. That's pretty doggone impressive to me. But again, it has a red floating ring that you don't have to get real close to it to tell what your rain level is, how much rain you have received. But this thing is really awesome. I mean, look, it's folded in half, comes right back. The one at home, just like this one. This one's a year old. It still looks like new. The one at my house is over 4, of course. Mentioned that too many times. But it hasn't, the UV rays have not affected it. It hasn't become brittle. It's just as flexible today as it was 4 years ago. This is the newest one, of course, but the one at home I'm talking about is still like new. The very top of it here around the rim is just a little bit faded matte and not glossy anymore because of the sun, but that's not a problem. Now this comes with the red floating ring inside of it. As I mentioned, I lost this when I was moving it up here, and I found it this morning in my shop. I put it back in there, but it floats around there like a fuel water separator on your truck or equipment or tractor or whatever. But anyway, you can take just the rain gauge itself. It has a place that you can put it on a nail or a screw on a post somewhere if you like. Or it comes with a base, a clear base, a real thick clear base, plastic base, that either stabs in the ground, and this just slides right into it. If you watched my video this morning, you saw me pick it up out of the base and check the rain level. But the base just either can be pushed down in the ground, or it can be mounted on a post as well, so you don't have to aim for the screw or the nail on this guy. You just set it in the cup till you want to empty it out or whatever. I have a link in the description below that they're on sale right now on Amazon. I paid $22. Actually, I paid $24 for my original one 4 years ago, over 4 years ago. And they came down in price a little bit. I paid $22 for this one. But right now, what is today's date? April 25th, Saturday, 2026. They're on sale for $17 and something cents. And if you hit the link below and go check it out, you'll see what, the base that I'm talking about, because I'm not going to pull this base out of the ground. I got it level like I want it, and I don't want to mess with it. But anyway, I thought I'd share this for you. I think this is really cool. I'm a weather guy. In case you didn't know it, I run a weather page. I also send weather information at my employment, and everybody knows me as a weather guy, but I just let that secret out of the bag, I guess. But anyway, a friend of mine told me about these. He was getting sick of buying a rain gauge every year when he would forget it outside and it would freeze and bust, and either that or the numbers would fade on it and couldn't read it anymore. Get you one of these, you won't regret it, and it'll last. I honestly don't know how long it'll last. I'm guessing about 10 years, maybe more than that, because the sun has not affected the one at home like this isn't affected. It stays and remains flexible all the way up, all the way down, bend it in half. It don't matter. I'd like to drop the ring again. Anyway, that's all I got. Check it out. Get you one. That's my link in the description. You will be helping out the Diamond H YouTube channel. I get a little bit of percentage off of each sale. It doesn't affect your cost. You won't even know it. But it's on sale. You'll be helping yourself out, and you'll be helping me if you buy one. That's it. Take care. Thank you.